County in south central Wisconsin until 6:15 a.m. At 5:22 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Friendship to 6 miles north of Reedsburg, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wisconsin Hills, Lake Delton, Partyville, Montello, Moccasin, Westfield, Princeton, Ryle, Green Lake, Cambria, Lawrence, Pequawkee, Manchester, Waukeena, Macon, Oxford, Endeavor, and Neshcorno. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilbourne Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant, and Potnoy Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, northern Columbia. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Greene County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 8:15 a.m. At 7:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroe, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
Oh my
Source,
God.
radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
This is about for us.
Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Monroe, Brodhead, Orfordville, Footville, Newark, Browntown, Hanover, Afton, Judah, and Avon. People attending Rock County 4-H Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison.
Tree damage right around here.
County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 8:45 a.m. At 8:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Footville to Beloit to near Byron, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Hell Lake, Powers Lake, Burlington, Richmond, Springfield, Tiffany, and Millard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 8:45 a.m. At 8:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Footville to Beloit to near Byron, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, 10-foot chill to moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
It just came on for no reason.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake.
Another one.
In south central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 11 a.m. At 10:16 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Dodgeville to 6 miles south of Mineral Point to Benton, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Wheeler, Linden, New Diggings, South Wayne, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Hallandale, Gratiot, Calamine, and Yellowstone Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison.
Alright, severe thunderstorm warning.
The
Another one.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has...
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, Greene County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin
That's us.
until 11:15 a.m.
That's us.
At 10:31 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Horeb to near Argyle to near Apple River, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
We're in Dane County.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Monroe, Oregon, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Argyle,
Man, hard out there.
Wheeler, Layton, South Wayne, Browntown, Gratiot, Attica, Jordan Center, Paoli, Mount Vernon, and Woodford. This includes the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wheeler, South Wayne, Baldwin. Park, Jonesdale, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Source, radar indicated.
shelf cloud right around there.
South central Wisconsin until 11:15 a.m. Source, where the ID. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of Lafayette and Southern. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Monroe, Oregon, Belleville, New Glass, Brooklyn, Martin, Argyle, Lansdale, Wheeler. Until 11 a.m. for eastern Lafayette and southeastern Iowa counties.
Finally hitting us.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Oh crap, it's getting wet.
source radar indicated
Yeah.
intact. Expect National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, Greene County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin. 11:15 a.m. At 10:31 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from moving east into Lafayette and southeastern Iowa County.
Lightning right there.
southeastern Iowa counties. At 10:49 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belleville to near Argyle. Building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. for eastern Washington and southeastern Iowa counties. The severe thunderstorm warning for central Greene and south central Dane counties will expire at 11:15 a.m. The storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits and have exited the warned area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However,
Another one.
in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 12:15 p.m.
I think that's for us.
At 11:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cambridge to near Lake Koshkonong to near Janesville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated and emergency management reports tree damage near Evansville. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Wanago, Milton, Edgerton, East Troy, North Prairie, Palmyra, Otter Lake, Lake Koshkonong, Burlington, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Albion, Eagle, and Hebron. People attending Rock County 4-H Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern.
Okay, for some reason this one is starting to act weird because today on severe thunderstorm warnings it went off for what the frick? Unrecognized message twice. So something might be wrong with this one.
Southeastern Wisconsin until 12:15 p.m.